Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Fix Online. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix error code 4 on Spotify. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. No doubt Spotify is known as the most popular online music streaming service and millions of people are using it for everyday streaming. Sometimes the player might have some issues such as the Spotify error code 4 which appears randomly. The simplest way to solve the problem is by using different kind of a DNS setting. So in order to do that, the first thing you can do is to simply press the window plus R key, which should immediately open up the run dialog box. Here, simply type in ncpa.cpl and search. This will open up the internet connection settings item in the control panel. You can also do this by going to control panel manually as well. Now from this page, double click on your active network adapter, which is my Wi-Fi right here. Once you do that, in the pop-up that appears, click on the properties button. Locate Internet Protocol version 4 and make sure that you are clicked on it. Now click on the properties button again. Stay in the general tab. Now in this page, click on this use the following DNS server addresses button. In the preferred DNS server tab, type in 8.8.8.8. On the next field where it says alternate DNS server, type in 8.8.4.4. Soon after you type it in, click on OK. Now soon after you do that, go back to see if your Spotify error code 4 still appears. That was how you can easily recover from Spotify error code with your desktop. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.